Have you ever felt a deep connection to the world around you? Do you sometimes sense things others can't? Are you drawn to nature and animals in a way that's hard to explain? If so, you might be interested in learning about crystal children and the role they play in our changing world. In this video, we'll explore the concept of crystal children and how they're believed to be ushering in a new era for humanity. We'll look at what makes these individuals unique, the challenges they face, and the potential impact they could have on our future. The idea of crystal children first emerged in the late 20th century as part of a broader discussion about evolving human consciousness. Some believe these children possess special qualities that set them apart from previous generations. They're often described as highly sensitive, intuitive, and in tune with the natural world. But what exactly are crystal children? While there's no scientific consensus, many people describe them as individuals born with a heightened awareness and spiritual connection. They're said to have a strong sense of empathy, often picking up on the emotions and energies of those around them. This sensitivity can extend to their physical environment as well, with many reported to be particularly affected by lights, sounds, and other sensory inputs. Crystal children are often associated with certain traits. They may show advanced problem-solving abilities from a young age, approaching challenges in unique and creative ways. Many are said to have a natural affinity for animals and plants, feeling a deep bond with the natural world. Some people believe these children have psychic or telepathic abilities, although these claims are not scientifically verified. It's important to note that the concept of crystal children is not universally accepted. Many see it as a spiritual or metaphysical idea rather than a scientific one. However, the traits associated with crystal children, such as sensitivity, creativity, and empathy, are certainly real and valuable qualities in any individual. The role of crystal children in society is a topic of much discussion among those who believe in this concept. Some see these individuals as catalysts for positive change, bringing new perspectives and solutions to long-standing problems. They might influence fields like education, environmental conservation, and technology, pushing for more holistic and compassionate approaches. In education, for example, crystal children might inspire a shift towards more personalized experiential learning methods that cater to different types of intelligence and learning styles. In environmental matters, their strong connection to nature could drive increased awareness and action on issues like climate change and biodiversity loss. In technology, their intuitive understanding of complex systems might lead to innovations that better serve human needs while respecting the planet. However, being a crystal child isn't always easy. These individuals often face challenges in traditional settings. Their heightened sensitivity can make them prone to overstimulation in busy, noisy environments. They might struggle in conventional school systems that don't cater to their unique learning styles. Their empathic nature can also lead to emotional overwhelm if they're not taught how to manage and protect their energy. For parents and caregivers of crystal children, understanding and nurturing their unique gifts is crucial. Creating a supportive environment that allows for quiet reflection and connection with nature can be helpful. It's important to validate their experiences and emotions, even if they seem unusual. Encouraging their creativity and problem-solving skills can help them develop their talents in positive ways. The concept of crystal children is often linked to the idea of a golden age, a time of peace, harmony, and heightened consciousness for humanity. Believers in this concept see crystal children as playing a key role in bringing about this new era. Their heightened awareness and compassion could help shift societal values towards greater empathy, cooperation, and care for the planet. While the idea of a golden age might seem far-fetched to some, it's worth considering how a generation of highly empathetic, creative problem solvers could impact our world. Even without subscribing to metaphysical beliefs, we can appreciate the potential of individuals who embody these positive traits. From a scientific perspective, research has shown that each generation does tend to have certain distinct characteristics, often shaped by the social, technological, and environmental conditions of their time. While there's no scientific evidence for the specific concept of crystal children, studies have noted increasing rates of sensitivity and empathy in younger generations. Some researchers attribute this to factors like increased awareness of global issues, changing parenting styles, and the effects of digital connectivity. Experts in child development and psychology have varying views on the crystal children concept. Some see it as a positive framework for understanding and nurturing sensitive children, while others caution against labeling children in ways that might limit their self-perception or create unrealistic expectations. Regardless of whether we believe in the concept of crystal children, we can all learn from the qualities associated with them. Developing our own empathy, sensitivity, and connection to the world around us can lead to personal growth and positive change. By cultivating awareness of our own emotions and those of others, we can improve our relationships and contribute to a more compassionate society. Connecting with nature, as crystal children are said to do instinctively, has been shown to have numerous benefits for mental and physical health. Taking time to appreciate the natural world can reduce stress, improve mood, and foster a sense of interconnectedness with all life. The problem-solving abilities attributed to crystal children are also worth emulating. Approaching challenges with creativity and openness to new ideas can lead to innovative solutions in all areas of life. By thinking outside the box and considering multiple perspectives, we can tackle complex issues more effectively. As we look to the future, the qualities associated with crystal children could indeed shape our world in positive ways. A generation that values empathy, creativity, and connection to nature could drive significant changes in how we approach education, work, relationships, and our relationship with the planet. We might see a shift towards more collaborative and compassionate workplaces, where emotional intelligence is valued as highly as technical skills. Educational systems could evolve to nurture each child's unique gifts and learning style rather than trying to fit everyone into the same mold. Our approach to environmental issues might become more holistic, recognizing the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. In our personal lives, adopting some of the traits associated with crystal children could lead to more fulfilling relationships and a deeper sense of purpose. By cultivating empathy, we can better understand and support those around us. By staying open to new ideas and approaches, we can continue growing and learning throughout our lives. It's important to remember that while the concept of crystal children offers an intriguing perspective on human potential, every individual is unique. Whether or not we believe in this specific idea, we can all strive to embody positive qualities like empathy, creativity, and connection to nature. As we've explored in this video, the concept of crystal children offers a hopeful vision for the future. It suggests that each new generation has the potential to bring new perspectives and solutions to our world's challenges. Whether we see this as a spiritual phenomenon or simply the natural evolution of human consciousness, it's an inspiring idea to consider. We've looked at the traits often associated with crystal children, their sensitivity, intuition, and connection to the natural world. We've discussed the challenges they might face in traditional settings and how parents and caregivers can support their unique needs. we've explored the idea of a golden age and how the qualities of crystal children might contribute to positive societal change. We've also considered scientific perspectives on generational differences and expert views on the concept of crystal children. While there's no scientific evidence for the specific idea of crystal children, research does show that each generation tends to have distinct characteristics shaped by their environment and experiences. Perhaps most importantly, we've discussed how we can all learn from the qualities associated with crystal children. By cultivating empathy, creativity, and a connection to nature, we can contribute to our own personal growth and to positive change in the world around us. It's worth reflecting on our own experiences and qualities. Do you recognize any of the traits we've discussed in yourself or in children you know? How might embracing these qualities change your life or your community? Whether or not we believe in the concept of crystal children, we all have the capacity for empathy, creativity, and connection. By nurturing these qualities in ourselves and others, we can work towards a more compassionate, innovative, and harmonious world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of crystal children and the potential for a new era of human consciousness. We hope this video has given you food for thought and inspiration for your own personal growth journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate, and stay connected to the world around you.